All I feel movie the way they be acting. She said that she like on my ad-lib. This life I gotta appreciate. Remember the time I ain't had this. But when they see me in a mansion, tell me that they probably ain't hard to demonstrate. Honestly, I'm really just rapping. One grandma got fans and they love me. One grandma got haters, they hate me. They say that this nigga fucking nerd. Wonder why they see me lately. Wonder why they bitch wanna date me. Wonder why they cannot escape.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaire Joy here. Welcome if you're new here. If you're not, welcome back to gang. I know I've been gone for a minute now, but that wait is over. I know I've been gone, y'all. I've been having like so much going on with my life, a lot of changes going on, so I just haven't really had any time to allocate towards YouTube. But y'all, I'm going to be back. I promise. But as you guys seen from the title, this video is sponsored by Ebin. Like I said, this video is sponsored by Ebin. So let me show you guys. This box looks so freaking cute. Like, I love the black and gold detailing, and I'm gonna insert a promo kind of video that I did. But yeah, like I said, let me show you what comes inside. Don't mind my greasy top. I just did my braid down and oiled my braids. So here it is, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking excited because, little background, I've been using this edge tamer and I've been using the lace tint. Like, holy grails, the only edge control that I love to use. I even used it to do my braids. Yeah, it's giving slick. I know, I'm telling you. So let me show you guys everything that comes in the packaging. So first we have this 24-hour edge tamer in the scent kiwi pineapple. So let me show you guys the inside. Ooh. Let me smell it. Okay. Two of their Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. Come on and focus. So this one right here is the for sensitive skin extra firm hold, which I am so excited that a company cares about sensitive skin. Oh my gosh, you don't understand. And then this black bottle is going to be the extreme firm hold and supreme, as we can see. And these both are 6.08 fluid ounces. So, and now let's go ahead and jump in to the lace tint, y'all. I love this lace tint. Love it. If you look on my channel, I have used this lace tint. So I got the color darkest brown because I am team dark skin. So yeah, I'm so excited. We'll be reinstalling one of my wigs. I haven't worn a wig in a minute because I had a different hairstyle, so I'm so excited to be working with Ebin and to be installing a wig. So first things first, let's get this lace tinted. No more of using foundation. So whenever I do use their lace tint, I like to shake it up, as you can hear. And we will not be doing the ball cap method. We're not going to do that today. This is going to be a quick and easy install. But I'm just going to spray the inside. It's almost like using spray paint. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but like, it's tinted. Don't mind the front so how it's looking. And what I like to do, this is my tip, I like to take hairspray. I'm going to use the Ebin lace tint spray, or the Ebin bonder, and I'm just going to spray it on the lace to seal that in. I just love doing that little quick layer. So once it's dry, I'll be back to install the wig. Okay guys, so now that the wig is finally dry, we're gonna go ahead and just put it on how we would like it. So this wig is already in the side part, and y'all, oh my gosh, there we go. You guys, let me show you my secret which is going to be my Ebin edge stick. This is going to be the Hair Sleek Edge Tamer. Now, they did not send me this. I already had this because, like I said, I've already been a fan of Ebin and I really love their products, and I love how small that bar is. And I'm just going to hot comb everything back before I spray it down.
You too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Okay, can we already say it's looking pretty good? Like, it's looking pretty good. I'm just gonna pull it down just a little. Okay, so here is the moment of truth. We're gonna use our Ebin again. We're gonna use the sensitive one. Pull the lid off. So we're gonna use the sensitive lace bond, and we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna spray this on the perimeter of the hair. All right, time for the moment of truth. I'm just gonna comb these baby hairs. Well, the front section, I should say. And the section that I'm using for my baby hairs. All right, so I have this out already. I'm gonna take my flat iron. My edge brush to just swoop these baby hairs. Back in. So just give me a second to work with it.
Pablo, cut throat like Pablo, cut through, shot tree with the Draco, on and off got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato.
All right, y'all. Ooh. All right, time to beat my face and show you guys the finished product. Hey guys, so as you can see, my hair is finally done. Yes, and I absolutely love it, you guys. I love the Wonder Spray, you guys. It has no buildup. I have no residue. I'm stuck, okay? It's stuck, okay, period. And I just love it. And y'all, it also held these curls really well. Quick little side note, it held these curls very well. And you guys, this stuff dried in no time. Like, I like to let my stuff sit a little bit longer, but it dried super duper quick. And oh my gosh, I literally love this product. I've been wanting to try the lace spray for so freaking long. Like, I'm so grateful that I was able to try this. And you guys, I use the extra firm hold and in the sensitive, you guys, because sometimes I do get like little breakouts. And y'all, this stuff feels good. Okay, it feels good. There's no itch either, period. Okay, if you guys loved this video, make sure you give me a like. If you guys would like to buy any of these products, I would definitely leave the link down below in my description bar and use my link so you guys can save a little bit of cha-ching. So yeah, oh my gosh, I love this. Like, what? What? Yeah, get into it real quick. Yeah, period. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next. Bye.
All I from movie the way they be acting. She said that she like on my ad-lib. This life I gotta appreciate. Remember the time I ain't had this. But when they see me in a mansion, tell me that they probably ain't hard to demonstrate. Honestly, I'm really just rapping. Wanna get my got fans and they love me. Wanna get my got haters, they hate me. They say that this nigga fucking nerd. Wonder why they see me lately. Wonder why they bitch wanna date me. Wonder why they cannot escape.